Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and update your Instagram app on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, the first thing that you have to do is you simply have to access a particular apps room on your phone. Once you have done so, tap on this particular search icon given below right corner of your section screen and go back and go to search bar and then type in Instagram over here. Once you have done so, you will find your Instagram app just right over here and go ahead, tap on it. Then you will find this option called update here instead of open. Go ahead, tap on it. It will simply update your particular app. So then afterwards you will be done. You can go ahead, tap on this open, and you can use the Instagram app as you would like to, as usual. So that is how you can simply do it. Make sure to update your app once in a while, likewise, so it can also, so you won't be able to get other login error kind of problems as well. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.